everyone, welcome to Sarah's sketchbook. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw shapes in perspective. So I'm using my iPad, but you can use your sketchbook, it's absolutely fine. So let's get started. So in perspective you have vanishing points. So there are some points that you can't, like everything ends up there for your view, and you can have a few, but in today I'm just doing the most basic one with one vanishing point only. So let's get started. I'm gonna make a few layers and then name them. So the first one is going to be shapes. Second one is just lines and a point. Actually, I just put a dot for the vanishing point. That's it, and I'll name the others later. So first of all, I'm just having a pencil already, it's okay, and I'm going to draw a rectangle first. I'll draw one more. And I draw a tiny one again. Okay, one more time. All right, not too bad. And now I'm going to do a horizontal line here and also a vanishing point there. Or maybe I'll do these things in a different color. Vanishing point, oops, and the lines. So these lines are from every angle to the point. Okay. I'll do it one more time. And then you don't have to do it from the inner angles, but if you want, you can do that as well. At the same here. Amazing. So now we will know that we can see this shape from the front and a bit of top. We can't see both sides of them, and also we can't see what's going on under. So let's go back to the shapes layer, yeah, and get the same pencil that we had before. So now let's imagine this one is this big. So now we need to follow the line. Okay, so the side line needs to be straight. Alright, so now it's what we can see from here. And yeah, so let's draw the other one now. The other one, let's imagine it's this big maybe. Perfect. So we cannot see inside the box, but if we would really want to draw inside it, we still can. So again, this line needs to come down like that. So if we could see inside the box, this is what was happening inside. And now the last shape. Let's make it this big. Amazing. So again, if you want to see what's going on inside both boxes, let me make another layer. So the first one I had it inside, but the other two sides I'm gonna rename it and call it inside. Oh well, and I'm gonna do it another color as well, maybe red. Yep. Okay. Alright, we don't have this line yet. We've got one line missing here. So it's in red now, but doesn't matter because everything's gonna be clear after this. Now I'm doing the inside. This line is going down here. Yep, I think that's it. This is what we can see from inside this box, and I'll draw this line to the vanishing point as well. And again, just because this line is going to be clear later, I will need to draw this line as well. When I clear it up, then I see what's missing and I draw it after. Well, so this is what we did have so far. Also, I'll show you, let's have one more shape in here, just after having all the lines and everything. Let's be on, yeah, let's have a new layer actually. Now let's go to the shape. Well, if I'm going to draw another rectangle here now, I mean triangle, rectangle, sorry. Let's make it bigger actually. Or maybe, yeah, just there. So now how does this work? Again, everything goes to the vanishing point. So I think we have this line already, but I'll just draw it one more time from this corner. So you can add as much as you want just to make it more clear for yourself. This practice is very helpful. It helps you with most of the drawing, so you can practice it with different shapes. And yeah, just don't ever give up. Remember that practice makes perfection. And I am really hoping this video was useful for you. Well, if you have any suggestion for my future video, please don't hesitate and let me know in the comment as well. And if you haven't subscribed, then I really appreciate if you can do it today for more videos like this. And also, if you really want to do it in your iPad and you like to learn some more tips, and there is a video, a few videos of working with iPad in my channel that I can link them in the description, no problem. So let's get rid of this unwanted lines and see what we have so far. Okay, so layer 4, there's nothing on layer 4, we don't need it. Lines, and also inside, maybe we can keep it. Well, yeah, I'm quite happy. I feel, I don't know why I did this line here though. And if we get rid of the inside of these side boxes, we can see inside of these two, but we don't see inside of the sides one. But we can feel it, everything's are in the same direction. So if you imagine there is let's say, okay, let me add one more. Let's imagine this is a living room here, just like that. Yep, so these things are furnitures, or I don't know, fridge, or just things like that. It does really make sense. So you can imagine everything's all going to the same direction, and it's so helpful. Just practice as much as you can and learn perspective very nicely, because it really helps you in fashion illustration as well. And I show you in my futures video how it does help you with fashion illustration. So let's get rid of this new lines and stick to what we have already. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you found it useful, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. So see you in next video. Bye.